Hey guys, for all the details on this highlighted Yaki Straight all-day comfort unit from Luvme Hair, make sure to keep watching. Hey guys, we are back with some Luvme Hair units. So this is going to be like a two-part video. I have 2 units in this box and I really love how they sent this out this time. Let me open it up and just show you. So when you order more than 1 unit, 1 box now. How lovely is that? So the first one that I am going to be doing today is going to be the Luvme Hair All-Day Comfort Wig. It's 180% density, blonde highlighted, butterfly cut, layered Yaki Straight unit, and it has a 7x6 closure. And here is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just unbox really quickly, and then we'll go ahead and just jump to installing. So this one comes with a side part, so that's this one here on this side. So let me just take it out. All right, so we have the unit, and then we have our little purple mesh bag to store our units, and it also has a pack of wig caps. I'm seeing, let me just open this up. All right, so inside this bag, we have our pack of wig caps. We have a wig box label, and then also our little packet of care tips, how to contact them, return policies, all of that good stuff. So also with the unit, we have the elastic band, and this is the removable elastic band that we're going to place in the inside of this unit. So I want to just provide you all the specs of this unit first, and then we'll go ahead and install. So this is a Yaki Straight unit. So here is this texture, and this color is absolutely gorgeous. So it's like a combination of highlights and brown and blonde. Is absolutely gorgeous. So 180% density, 7x6 closure. So again, comes with this left side part, but you can change it to a middle part, a right side part, whatever you decide to do. Comes with the lace already pre-cut off, knots are already bleached, hairline pre-plucked. Here is this big closure here. As far as the inside construction, we don't have any combs here in the front of the unit, but we do have one here all the way in the back. And then this is one of those all-day comfort units, so we can adjust the cap size on this unit. It kind of just reminds me of like bra strap hooks right here in the back. So you have small, medium, and large. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the smallest hooks right here in the back. All right, as so, and then let me go ahead and take out this elastic band and put this on the inside of the unit too. So I have my elastic band here, and it has this little hook on each side, and in the inside of the unit we have these little hooks here. So all I'm going to do is just slide the hook through the hook on the inside of the unit on both sides, and that is pretty much it. Now this is optional, you don't have to put in this elastic band, but it is extra security. All right, so we got that on the inside of the unit, and it has this little silicone strip on the inside of the elastic band to kind of just adhere to your head. Again, extra security. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover now while I go ahead and install this unit. This looks like it's going to be super quick and easy. We are going to have to run the flat iron over it, but this is going to be very much so beginner friendly. So just go ahead and keep watching. All right guys, so I'm just going to start with this black wig cap on, and I'm going to put the elastic band around the back of my head and then pull the unit down, placing the back comb in the back of my hair. And now I'm going to turn around and just adjust the unit in the front. So since there are no combs on this unit, I want to make sure that the ear tabs fall exactly where they need to be. But automatically this unit looks gorgeous, and I just want to stand back to give you a length check just to see how long this unit is on me. So again, this unit is a Yaki Straight texture, and I'm just giving it a comb through with my rake comb, getting out any kind of kinks and tangles. But this unit is so smooth, there are no kinks and tangles. The texture is soft, and I did not receive any shedding on this unit whatsoever. Now, since the lace is not completely flush against my skin, I am going to spray it down with a little bit of Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray. And this one is actually the plus one. Usually I use the regular one, which is a light holding spray. This is more of like a medium holding spray. So I sprayed it right there on the lace on my forehead, and now I'm using my Luvme Hair elastic band with the Velcro and just letting it sit on that lace for about 10 minutes or for the length of the time that it takes me to run the flat iron over the unit. Now, this step is completely optional. You do not have to spray the unit down, but for me personally, it was bulking up just a little bit, so I wanted to just lay it down with some spray. So now I'm just using my flat iron, and this is my Bio-Ionic flat iron, and I'm just taking large sections of the hair. You don't need to take small sections, and just running it from root to tip. I am putting a slight bend to the ends of the hair. I don't want it to be super straight where it's just bone straight at the end. I want a slight bend because the front of the unit has that beautiful face frame. All right, now that I finished with one side, I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Now the unit is super flat at the top, but I am gonna take some of this same Sebastian Hair Shaper spray and just spray around the parting space. And I'm just using my comb to comb down any kind of flyaways. The unit does come with a face frame. However, I want to kind of just emphasize it just a little bit more. So I'm taking the hairs from the ear forward, and with my shears, I'm angling down and just emphasizing that face frame. Super easy way to cut a face frame. Just angle the shears down and cut all the way down. I didn't take too much hair off, but I did take enough where you can see it now. Okay, so it's been enough time with the elastic band, so I am going to take apart the Velcro in the back and just remove the elastic band. And I had to just scoot up so I could give you a close-up. The hairline looks so good. Next up, I'm going to take some of my Wet n Wild contouring powder, and just with a brush, I'm going to brush some of that powder around that lace to kind of tint it to my skin tone. I probably should have used a bigger brush because I needed a little bit more powder, but it's okay. So I'm going to turn around so I can show you all angles of this gorgeous unit, give you a length check in the back, comes down all the way to the bottom of my waist. But that is it for this install. All right, guys, so that was the install, and I just realized I did not give you all the specs of this unit. I showed you the construction of the unit, but I did not provide you all the specs. So this unit is 22 inches long. So here is a length check again. Very, very lengthy. Now this is the longest length that it comes in. Comes in 16 inches, 18 inches, 20 inches, and then 22 inches. So 22 inches is going to be the longest one, and I am 5'7", just for like a reference check, but super, super cute length. I just love this style. The highlights are absolutely gorgeous. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm getting into my pros and cons. So again, 180% density, 7x6 closure. So we have a lace from here all the way over to here, and then all the way back here. So if you did want to change this parting space, you are more than welcome to do so. I love this as a left side part. It's absolutely gorgeous, but you can feel free to move around the part however you please because it is free parting. Now for the 22-inch length, price is $344.90. Plus I have a promo code for you, SNH28, gives you 28% off. 100% human hair. So circumference on this cap can fit 19.5 inches all the way up to 24 inches. HD lace, comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the color is a blonde highlight. So that is all the specs of this unit. Again, this is a Yaki straight texture, so we're not looking at a silky straight texture. It does come with like a face frame. I did have to like clean it up just a little bit, but other than that, comes with a face frame. and these gorgeous, gorgeous highlights. This unit is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color combination on this unit. It is stunning. So as far as my pros and cons, that is the number one pro. The color combination on this unit is absolutely flawless. I love the cap construction on this unit, these all-day comfort cap sizes. So it can fit a small head size, medium head size, or a large head size. So whatever head shape and size that you have, it is going to fit your head shape and size. Now this unit does have the C-shaped ear tabs, so I'm not feeling any kind of discomfort around my ears or anything like that. We have the adjustable strap put in the inside of the unit. So we have a lot of security with this unit. We have that comb there in the back, no combs up in the front. I know that that's like it's like a touchy situation with people. Either people love the combs in the front or people hate the combs in the front. This one does not have combs in the front. It's very, very comfortable up here. The lace blended right in. I really didn't have to put like makeup or anything in the parting space, and it looks absolutely amazing. The hair is buttery, buttery soft. The luster is low because we have this Yaki straight texture. I absolutely love Yaki straight texture because it just mimics black hair so well, like silk press or relaxer hair. It just looks very, very natural. It does not have that super shiny look to it. It just gives a very, very natural look. Let me go ahead and turn around again so I can show you the back so you can get another look at the length. So the length comes all the way down to my waist, and again, this is 22 inches, the longest length that they have. I did not cut anything off the bottom of this unit, just cleaned up that face frame, and that was it. But look at the highlights, it's so pretty. And the darker tone on this unit is not like a natural black color, it's more of a brown color. So just want to make a note of that. But this unit is very, very pretty. It is very much giving sun-kissed summer vibes. Very, very pretty. I'm absolutely obsessed with this unit. So that pretty much concludes this video. Very, very easy to install, very much so beginner friendly. All I did was spray a little bit around the hairline and really just right here where my forehead is. I didn't even stretch the full entire length of the lace, but yes, gorgeous unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Make sure to check out the description box below. I'm gonna put a link to Luvme Hair's website, a link to this gorgeous highlighted Yaki straight all-day comfort unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28 gives you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from Luvme Hair. Again, this is going to be a two-part video, so you want to make sure you stay tuned for the other unit that was in that box. That'll be coming up next, but make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend. They got to get their hands on this unit, and I will see you all in the next video.